This video, I'm showing you how to earn $50 hourly just by watching videos, which stands out as one of the most straightforward methods to generate income online in 2024. How can you achieve this? We're about to discover together. This is your guide to earning money online through video watching. By the way, I've noticed that only a small portion of my viewers have hit that subscribe button. If you find value in today's content, consider joining our WealthWalk family by subscribing and turning on notifications. It costs nothing, and you can always unsubscribe later. This way, you'll be the first to know when I share fresh money-making strategies, giving you the advantage to maximize your earnings. Sneak peek. Let me break this down into 3 simple steps. First step, reach for your smartphone. Second step, hit play on a short YouTube video. Third step, watch real money flow directly into your account. It really is that straightforward. Now, I want you to pause whatever you're doing and take a moment to examine these payment proofs. These individuals are pulling in hundreds of dollars simply by watching YouTube content. Isn't that amazing? And here's what makes it even better. You're earning actual money. The best part about this method is its flexibility. You can do this while commuting, during your lunch break, or even while relaxing at home in the evening. I've seen members of our community earning consistently by dedicating just 2 to 3 hours daily. Think about it. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media, you could be turning that screen time into real income. Many of our successful members started with just 15 minutes a day and gradually increased their earning time as they saw the money coming in. This method is perfect for beginners who haven't made their first dollar online yet. The opportunity is open to everyone worldwide, and the best part? It won't cost you a single penny to get started. Whether you're a student looking for extra pocket money, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to household income, or someone just looking to earn extra cash on the side, this method fits perfectly into your schedule. I've seen success stories from people aged 18 to 65, proving that age is truly just a number when it comes to making money online. Before I reveal the complete process, drop a comment below with, "I am from your country." This helps me understand where my audience is coming from, allowing me to tailor future content specifically for you. Also, stay tuned until the end, because I'm sharing exclusive bonus strategies that could help you earn double or even triple compared to others. Now let's dive into the main content. First, I want to introduce you to followfast.com. This platform presents an incredible opportunity to generate income by simply watching videos. Take a look at their withdrawal history. It shows people from every corner of the globe cashing out real money daily. Just looking at today's withdrawals demonstrates how transparent this platform is about earning potential and withdrawal capabilities. These successful withdrawals come from users across different countries, proving this works globally. Let me guide you through the process so you can start earning immediately after watching this video. Your first step is to locate and click the Join button on the homepage. This takes you to the registration page where you can create your free account. You'll need to input basic information. Choose a username, enter your email address, and create a password. For location, don't worry. The system automatically detects where you are, and they welcome users from all countries. Finally, complete the security check by entering the displayed numbers. Just hit the blue Join button to complete your registration. The best part? You can do all this from either your phone or computer. Once you're registered and logged in, your dashboard will appear. Look for the YouTube button. You'll see options for plays, likes, dislikes, and subs. Click on plays to access the video watching section where you can start earning. Now here's your first bonus tip. You need to watch each video for at least 35 seconds to earn points. These points can then be converted into real money. Let me share something most people don't realize. The platform actually rewards consistency. The more regularly you engage with videos, the higher your earning potential becomes. I've discovered that users who maintain a steady watching schedule, say 2 hours every day, tend to see their points accumulate much faster than those who watch sporadically. The platform has a hidden bonus system that kicks in when you maintain consistent activity over several days. Another insider tip that many overlook is the category selection. While you might be tempted to click on random videos, focusing on specific categories can actually boost your earnings. The platform tends to offer more points for videos in trending categories or those with higher engagement rates. Keep an eye on the points offered for different video categories. You'll start noticing patterns that you can use to maximize your earnings. Let me demonstrate how it works. Each video shows the number of points you'll earn for watching. Click the play button, which opens the YouTube video in a new window. Back on followfast.com, you'll see a 35-second countdown timer. When it reaches 0, your points are automatically credited. Here's a clever trick. You don't actually need to watch the video actively. You can pause it, return to Follow Fast, wait for the countdown, and still earn your points. And here's something crucial that most tutorials don't mention: the importance of maintaining a stable internet connection. Even brief interruptions can reset your watching progress, so I recommend using a reliable Wi-Fi connection rather than mobile data. This simple step can save you hours of frustration and ensure you get credited for every video you watch. Just a quick interruption. If you're finding value in this content that I've put significant effort into creating, I'd really appreciate if you could smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed with notifications enabled. If we hit 2,000 likes on this video, I'll release another video next week, showing you even more ways to earn money from home using similar simple methods. Let me show you another example of how this works. Each video displays the points you'll earn up front. Click play, pause the video on YouTube, return to Follow Fast, and wait for your 35 seconds to complete. Your points will automatically add to your balance. It's incredibly straightforward, and there's no limit to how many videos you can watch. Here's something fascinating I've discovered through months of testing. The platform actually has peak hours when the point values tend to be higher. I've noticed that videos posted during early morning hours, typically between 5 AM and 7 AM Eastern Time, often offer bonus points. Similarly, late evening hours, around 9 PM to 11 PM, tend to have higher value videos. This is likely because fewer users are active during these times, so the platform incentivizes watching during these off-peak hours. Another strategy that's worked wonders for my top subscribers is what I call the category rotation method. Instead of sticking to one type of video, rotate between different categories every hour. For example, spend your first hour on gaming videos, switch to cooking videos in the second hour, and then move to tech reviews. This variety not only keeps you engaged, but also helps you tap into different point multipliers that the platform occasionally offers for specific categories. Now here's another exclusive bonus tip to multiply your earnings. Instead of watching one video at a time, open multiple tabs on your phone or computer. You can watch several videos simultaneously, meaning you don't have to wait 35 seconds for each individual video. You could be earning from 2, 5, or even 10 videos at once. Just open new tabs, start the videos, and let the points accumulate faster than ever. Pro tip: I recommend starting with just 3 or 4 tabs if you're new to this method. This allows you to get comfortable with managing multiple videos while ensuring your device can handle the load. Once you're confident, gradually increase the number of simultaneous videos. Some of my most successful followers are comfortably managing 15 to 20 tabs at once, effectively multiplying their earnings by a factor of 15 or more. Want to optimize even further? Here's another pro tip. Click the gear icon on YouTube videos and increase the playback speed to double. Also, if you're dealing with limited internet or data caps, change the video quality to 144p, the lowest setting. This saves time and data while allowing you to watch more videos efficiently. There's more. Click on the daily bonus section to discover additional earning opportunities. You can claim bonus points daily or even hourly. By simply logging into your account each day and watching 15 videos, you can earn at least 100 bonus points. Ready to cash out? Just click the Cash Out button to access the payment options. You can choose between PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin, but don't worry if you don't use these. They offer various other payment methods too. The system is simple. Convert your earned points into real money. The minimum withdrawal threshold is just $1.50, meaning you can request a payout once you reach this amount. After requesting withdrawal, expect to receive your money within 3 to 5 business days. This is an incredible opportunity that not many people know about yet, so use this knowledge to your advantage. If you're interested in earning even more, make sure to check out my next video, where I'll reveal how to earn free PayPal money using just one app. One of the most effective ways to make money online in 2024. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Start your earning journey today, and don't forget to share your results in the comments below. This is WealthWalk signing off, but stay tuned for more money-making opportunities coming your way.